Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how does Apple Maps know where your car is parked? So, Apple Maps automatically remembers where you parked your car by detecting when your iPhone disconnects from your car's Bluetooth or CarPlay. Once you leave the car and connection ends, Maps drop a pin at this location, and then you can find it. So, if you want for this feature to work, you need to enable location services for the Apple Maps, and also there is an option show parked location, so you need to also enable this mod in the map settings. And the last one is you need to make sure that your phone pairs with your car. And then you will always check your latest park location. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.